Good morning everyone. I am inviting you to the Aparad Aguinaldo 2024. It will be on April 23 to 25 next week. And inviting also all neighboring towns, friends and family members to come and join us in celebrating our town fiesta. To all Aguinaldoans and doctor within our country from abroad, and also to our tourists and visitors, come and explore and also discover Aguinaldo, like cultural parade, the Agro-Industrial Trade Fair, Mayor's Cup, Thanksgiving Night, Mr. and Miss Aguinaldo, the Battle of the Bands, cultural sports, and ball games. Those are the highlights of the 2024 Aparad Aguinaldo. So, happy Aparad Aguinaldo 2024, mabuhay and God bless.